Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to repair the corrupted Windows 11 or 10 PC. If your window is corrupted, SFC command and other things are not working properly. So in this video, I will show how to repair your Windows without reinstalling it. So let's start without wasting our time guys. As the CMD is the main source of repairing Windows, simply open the CMD as an admin. And in here guys, you must have already like type this type of command sfc and restore health. This type of command you should try that, but in your case it should not work since window has corrupted in a bigger label. And so this is the second command to restore the imaging DISM, deployment imaging services. Okay, and if these commands are not working and unable to fix that guys, so we have to basically download the ISO of Windows which you are using. So it could be Windows 11 or 10. So if it is Windows 11, go to Windows 11 ISO, and we will take help from this ISO, fresh ISO, and repair our Windows without reinstalling it. And if you are using the Windows 10, so I have Windows 10 ISO also. How to do that? Okay, simply go to here, and in Windows 10 guys, you simply need to click on download tool now, media creation tool. And in Windows 11 we need to choose here the ISO file. Simply choose this option, download, select the download, multi edition download. Now it is verifying, select language, okay, English International, select that, confirm. Now download 64-bit, it is available for 60-bit also, you don't need to choose here. Okay, so it's going to download it now. You can see I have paused since I have verified some commands, and Windows 11 ISO is directly going to download from here. So you need to wait here guys, and for Windows 10 you need to run this tool. Yes, so this is the media creation tool for Windows 10, and for Windows 11 you can simply download Windows ISO file, Windows 11 ISO. In Windows 10 you need to wait guys some time here, and this will also fix the issue in a normal way. I mean, if the issue is small, and if the issue is big, we need to take help from the ISO file. So wait here some time. So this is the process of making ISO file, downloading the ISO. I have already downloaded it, but I'm just going to show you guys this option. Windows 10, you can see I have already downloaded the ISO. So you just need to double click on this, and this will be mounted in your drive. Thereafter we will go further. Let it wait first. Okay, accept that. I'm pretty sure guys, if you follow this method, your window is going to restore and your system is going to get the fresh copy of Windows without reinstalling it. Now we need to select our second option here, next, Now leave it as it is. United language, you can choose it to United State. Okay, other thing is okay. Next. Now you need to select your ISO and then click on next. Now in here guys, you need to select the location of the ISO where the ISO is going to download. Click on save option here and it is going to download the same way. So let me cut this since I have already downloaded that as shown you. Now this is Windows 11 guys. Let me eject this. Now first I should look for Windows 10 guys. You just need to double click on the ISO and thereafter I will show you the Windows 11. Now in here guys, this will be mounted in the D drive. You just need to right click and open it simply and go to the sources folder here. And once you go to the sources folder, we need to look for here install.wim or ESD, both are same, and this will be the biggest in the size. You can see here install.wim. It could be install.esd, but both are same, both will work. So I'm looking for the windows.vim here. In my case it is almost 4 GB. So we need to copy this source guys. This will be the source. Okay, and this is the restore command. The command will be same, this option, but this time the switch will be different. Source will be the ISO file. Okay, so sources and the D drive and the sources like this, just copy, and then this one install.vim file, you just need to copy this here. Simply you will get this command into my description box, and simply you need to paste it like this and you need to hit enter. Okay, the process will go like this, which was going like this, and 100% it will go, and after that you need to restart your system for Windows 10 and try. Your issue will be fixed, and try after these commands SFC, and all the option will work after that, since image of damage is resolved. So let's try for Windows 10 guys now. So let me eject for Windows 10 and we will try with Windows 11 now. Okay, here I have downloaded for Windows 11. So I just need to double click as shown you for Windows 10. Okay, and it will be mounted directly to the C drive or in the D drive. So you can see here. So we need to go to the sources folder same, and then look for install.wim in the largest file we have. Let's see, and you can sort it by the here size, and then type more. Okay, groups, and we need to look for here size. Now we should see the install.vim. You can see here, if you are seeing install.esd, both are same, but you can see in Windows 11 the bigger file almost 5 GB. So we need to replace the same here as, and we need to hit enter, since source and destination is same in my case, and file name is also. So I need to hit enter guys here, and you can see deployment image servicing and management tool is going to repair your Windows, and process is going to same, as it will take the help from ISO, and thereafter your issue is fixed now. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. So hope this helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.